if you fail to understand what is karma, you will have something else in your mind as a belief system about life and what is happening in life. So it is not that you will be a bad person or you will, portray some bad behavior or you will have a bad nature. No, that is not the point. You want it or not, till you don't understand the signs by which the manifestation is happening, which we call as Karma Shastra or the science of self-transformation, knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, you will behave in certain ways which will not be a source of growth for you and for others. This is even secondary. But there are 5 primary things which you need to know. It's not about you. Anybody who does not understand how things are happening in life, how things are manifesting in life, having no idea about karma, but see, in fact, you accepted that there is God. You realize that there is God. That is not going to bring any change to you. I've decided there is God and I've accepted there is God. What difference is going to make to me? I need to know what I need to do to bring changes to my life. Accepting God is not going to bring any changes in life. After accepting God, what is that you are supposed to do as per the dharma created by God is the essential understanding. And one such dharma is understanding about karma and utilizing the science of karma. So what will happen by utilizing science of karma? Let's see it later. But now, make a note of these 5 points. If you are failing to understand the way karma works for you or how karma is getting applied, how you need to apply the Karma Shastra in life or what is karma, these are the 5 things which will happen without fail. What is the first one? A person who does not realize how things are happening in life or what is the science behind experience, human experience, he will never be ready for discussion. You're never going to live alone in life. Some way or the other, you need to interact with another human being. You need to communicate with another human being. It can be, I'm not just talking about your loved ones, your father, mother, husband, wife, parent, children. No. Any which way, in any situation, when there is a need for discussion or for analysis, you will never be ready for discussion. You will only get into argument. In fact, you can never make a decision. You will live a life out of confusion. Because there is no conviction and determination possible out of you, since there is lack of self-realization. So, even if you take a decision, that will be based on a perception and expectation, not out of determination and conviction. Do you understand? So, you will never be ready for discussion, you will only be ready for argument. First. Second thing, a person who never understands what is life, what is karma, will keep on blaming things. He will keep finding mistake on each and every other possible situation and each and every other person. They keep blaming so many things. It's raining, so I got cold. The problem is they don't have a good immunity. So they blame the rain, which is a requirement for the plants to grow, which is required for agriculture. Forget about it. They don't even blame the parents nowadays. They directly blame the, planets. Guruji, my Saturn is not good. Sunny Graha is not good. My Venus planet is in a wrong position. Otherwise, you're listen to me. This is not for joke. People not even blaming, the other human being or the situation or the lack of education. They started blaming everything and anything. My past karma is not good. In previous janma, I am not good. Please don't. This will be a situation if you fail to understand what is karma. They will blame the planet, they will blame the parent, they will blame the, their astrology, something or the other. Once you understand karma, you have the power to change your life. And above all, you will not be ready to accept your mistake or to accept your fault, which is the first requirement for you to see the progress or to develop from the present stage. So this is the second thing. Third one, when somebody is successful, when somebody is achieving something in life, we are supposed to appreciate them. We are supposed to celebrate them. No, we will not do that. Forget about appreciation. You will get into irritation looking at other success. No, that is a very wrong approach. Please realize this. But a person who's realized will not only celebrate others' success, he will also be a source for other success. But once you are not aware about what is life and what is karma, you want it or not, you will automatically, get into irritation about others' success. Forget about appreciation. This is the third one. The fourth one, you will be so focused on others' failure. You will take all the effort to prove that you're right and the other person is wrong. In this very process, you are destroying your own power. In fact, you will use all the power, knowledge to make sure somebody you don't like is destroyed. Just to prove a point. And your full focus is not about your success, but to know about someone's failure. But in this very process, you are destroying your own self. And finally, a person who never understands what is God and what is karma will never live a life of essential dharma. He will fully live a life of emotional drama. What is that you need to decide this very moment? Realizing self is the only way to see a positive change in your life. Forget about all these things. What do you mean by self-realization or realizing about the self? Nothing. It is just knowing the fact. It is just knowing the truth that you want it or not. The power within you is the only power by which you can change your destiny. Nothing else has got the power to change your destiny. I'll repeat it again. The power within you is the only power by which you can change your destiny. Aham Brahmasmi.